How to add Read More or Tumblr mobile app. Adding a Read More break in the Tumblr mobile app is a great way to keep your post concise and improve readability, and here is how to do it. First of all, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Tumblr account. Now, once inside the Tumblr mobile app, tap on the pen icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen to create a new post. Now all you have to do is compose your content as usual. So you can write down anything according to your preferences. So here, let's type down hello everyone for my content. So let's type down hello everyone. So once you write down your content, if you want to add read more here, then simply tap on the cursor icon available at the tab. Now here you can see more option is available. Now you can again continue writing your content. So if you want to insert your read more option somewhere else, then you can do same. All you have to do is place your cursor where you want the read more break. Now once done so, tap on the post option available at the top right and let's check if our content has read more option available or not. Now let's go to the profile to check the content I just posted. Now there you can see keep reading option available there. Tap on it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.